understanding the phrase, tail slide, in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, and our special guest is the term, tail slide. Join us as we unravel its meaning and usage, ensuring you can slide it into your conversations with ease. Let's get started. Tail slide is a phrase with roots in aviation and skateboarding, but it's not just for pilots and skaters. In aviation, it refers to a maneuver where the aircraft slides backwards relative to its path. In skateboarding, it's a trick where the tail of the board slides along an edge or surface. Metaphorically, it can describe a situation where someone loses traction or momentum in a project or activity. Despite its specific origins, tail slide can be used in everyday English to describe a loss of progress. For example, if someone's work performance drops, you might say they're doing a tail slide. It's a colorful way to describe a temporary setback without delving into specifics. Let's see how to use tail slide in a sentence. After the new policy changes, the sales team experienced a bit of a tail slide. I was on a diet, but I had a tail slide over the holidays. And there you have it. Whether you're talking about aircraft, skateboarding, or life's ups and downs, the phrase, tail slide, is your go-to term for a backward slip in progress. We hope this video has been informative and added a new expression to your English toolkit. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.